Hello everybody, today in this video we are going to do some important problems of trigonometry. Okay, in SEE these questions are frequently asking, so let's see. In very first number we have a question: cot 45 minus a equals to sin 2a plus sec 2a. We have a question over here. We have to prove that cot 45 minus a equal to tan 2a plus sec 2a. Now let's take LHS. Cot 45 minus a. So if we apply the formula of this cot a minus b, this is the, we know cot a minus b equal to cot b into cot a plus 1 upon cot b minus cot a. This is the formula of this cot a minus b. So let's apply the formula of cot b. Means in this case we have 45 minus a. See here, in the place of a we have to put 45, in the place of b we have to take a. So cot b means cot a means cot 45 plus 1 upon cot b means a minus cot a. Cot a is 45. So we know that the formula of cot 45 equal to 1. The value of cot 45 equal to 1. So we just put the value of cot 45 1. This is the cot a minus cot 45 1. So this, the remaining value is cot a plus 1 upon cot a minus 1. Okay. Now if we use the formula of cot a equal to cos a upon sin a, cos a upon sin a minus 1, then if we take LCM, this one cos a plus sin a, this will be cos a plus sin a upon sin a by cos a minus sin a upon sin a. This sin cancel out. The remaining is cos a plus sin a upon cos a minus sin a. So we have this LHS. Now let's take RHS as well. Tan 2a plus sec 2a. We know the formula of tan a 2a equal to sin upon cos, but you have to remember angle will not change in the formula. 2a we have to put 2a. If here is a, we have to put a, b like this. Sec means 1 by cos. So now let's take LCM of these two terms. This will be sin 2a plus 1. Okay, now apply the formula of this one and sin 2a. The formula of sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a, and the formula of this one equal to sin a square plus cos a square. Okay, upon this cos 2a. Let's apply the formula of cos 2a also. Formula of cos 2a, as we already discussed over here, we have, see here, we have the formula of cos 2a equal to 3 formula: cos a square minus sin a square, this one and this one. But in this case you can see here, in LHS we have to convert cos a minus sin a. Okay, so we have to use this formula, cos minus sin, like, okay, likewise formula. So this will be applied over here. Now this is the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square is the formula of this one, cos a plus sin a whole square, a plus b whole square. Now the remaining is cos a plus sin a. Now we have to apply a minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so these two will be cancelled out. The remaining is cos a plus sin a upon this one, cos a minus sin a. Hence LHS equal to, this is our RHS. Hence we get both equal, LHS equal to RHS. Hence proof. So this question is easy, but we have to do, we have to calculate, we have to dissolve these two terms, left hand side and right hand side, and finally we get both are the same. Hence we can write LHS equal to RHS proved. Now in next question, now in 2 number we have a question. Prove that 1 by sin 10 minus 3 upon cos 10 equals to 4. We have this one. Now take LHS. 1 upon sin 10 minus 3 upon cos 10. Now we have to take LCM of these two. So this value is sin 10 and cos 10. Now this will be multiplied with this and this will be this. So 1 into cos A, cos 10, root 3 into sin 10, root 3 sin 10. Okay, so see here, if we multiply these two, numerator and denominator both, then this will be converted into Sin2A, because Sin2A formula 2 sin A into cos A equal to Sin2A. So we multiply these two and balance it with 2 in numerator. Okay, so now let's see here, these two will be out and this will be sin 20 after applying the formula, because this is the formula of Sin2A, and in numerator you can see here this is sin 10 10. So but here is a minus, so we have to understand here, if we multiply with 2 into 1 by 2, because this will be 2 to cancel out. Let's see here what happened. Cos 10 minus root under 3 sin 10 divide upon this. This is the formula of sin 2A. 2A means 2 into 10. Okay, see here, this is 2 and 2. We just left these two terms and multiply this 1 by 2 inside this bracket. So this will be 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10 upon sin 2 into 10 means 20. Why? Because we just see here in RHS we have to prove 4. So if we multiply by 2, this 2 will be 4 and the remaining is we have to multiply inside. Now let's see, this will be 4. Okay, and you can see here this is cos, this is sin. So if we apply the formula of this cos A minus B, we know that formula of cos A minus B equal to, here is a minus, so we have to apply the next one formula. See here, sin A minus B. Sin A minus B means sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. See here, wherever we have cos angle, then we have to arrange with sin. Okay, for the converting this formula or arranging this formula. And but here if we have cos, then we have to next term sin. So see here, this is cos 10, so we need to take the value of this 1 by 2 in sin term. So this is the value of sin 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2. So this is the value of sin 30, 1 by 2 and cos 10 minus root 3 by 2. Here see here, here is a sin. We have sin, but we need cos for this formula. Okay, so what is the value of root 3 by 2 in the terms of cos? So this is the value of cos 30. Now remaining is sin 10. So this is the formula of sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B. See here, sin A minus B, sin A minus B. But in the place of A we have 30 degree, minus in the place of B we have 10 degree by sin 20. 4 into this is sin 30 minus 10 means sin 20 upon sin 20. So these two cancel out. The remaining is 4 into 1 equal to 4, which is our answers. Hence proof. In this way we can easily prove these all the questions. Okay, Now let's see next one, question number 3. In question number 3, we have to prove that root under 3 cosec 20 minus sec 20 equals to 4. Okay, so this question is similar to this previous one. Now let's take LHS. Now let's apply the formula of this cosec. As we know, cosec is the reciprocal of sine, so this will be sine 20 minus sec 1 by cos 20. So now take LHS sine 20 cos 20. So this will be multiplied with cos 20 minus sine 20. If you take LCM, then this will be multiplied with this and this to this. Now see here, this is cos 20 minus sine 20, and in denominator sine 20 into cos 20. Okay, so as we have already seen in previous question, we have to multiply with these two. Okay, this is 2 in down, so this will be sine 20 into cos 20. We have to multiply also to balance this in up. Okay, so suppose this is 2, balance these 2 and these 2 will be balanced to each other, and this will be remaining is sine 20. So see here, we have to also apply the formula of this, as we already seen in the previous question. We have to apply the formula of this is sine 20. It means, see here, as we know the formula of this one, cos A minus B equals to cos A plus B equal to cos A into cos B minus sin A into sin B. So for this we have cos one term cos here. Now we need next cos. So let's multiply these two will be out. We just keep this here, and this we have to multiply this root under 3 upon 2 inside this bracket, because this is the formula of cos 30 and sin 60. So see here, this root under 3 over here and this 2 is the extra term, so we have to balance this term with this 2. Okay, so now we have to multiply with this term inside this bracket. So let's write down one step again. Now the remaining is 2 sin 10 and cos 20. So these two will be balanced. Okay, and this 2 and 2 will be balanced. The remaining is root under 3. So you can see this 2 into root under 3 is this above. So there will be no changes in expression. So now see here, 2 into 2. Now we have to multiply root under 3 by 2 inside this bracket. So root under 3 by 2 cos 20 minus root under 3 by 2 sin 20 upon, this is the formula of sin2a. Sin2a means 10, sin2 10. So this is 4. Root under 3 by 2 is the formula of cos 30. Root under 3 by 2 is the formula of what? We have cos A and cos B. So we need to apply the value of root under 3 by 2 in terms of cos A. Okay, so as we know, this is the formula of, but see here, if we apply the formula of this cos, then it will be added. So the value will be become 30 and 20 means 50. But we have to convert this into sin 2a, means in terms of 10. So we have to apply next formula, that is sin A minus B, because we have the formula of sin A minus B equal to sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin b. Okay, so if you apply this formula, then let's see what will happen. If we put plus here, then this will be minus here, this will be plus here. If we take minus here, then if you take minus, then this will be also minus. So you need to understand this one. Now we have the formula sin A and cos B. So we have cos, so we have to apply the formula of this sin. We need sin. Okay, so this is the value of sin 60. So this is the value of sin 60. Understand? Minus root over 3 by 2. In the formula you can see, if one term is sin, then next one is cos. So we need to find the formula value of cos, this value in terms of cos. So this is the value of cos. Root over 3 by 2 is the value of cos. This is the value of this, and this cos 20 minus. So this is the value of cos. 3 by 2 means cos 60. We did mistake over here. You can see here. This is root under 3. Okay. Root under 3 cosec 20. This is only the multiply of this first term, not second term. You can see this is only in the first term, not in second term. So this will be cancelled out. This will be written over here root under 3. Okay, this is root under 3, this term only. That's why our RHS is not reached. So this is only in. So this is the value of not root 3 by, this is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means cos 60 and sin 20 upon this sin 20. So this is the formula of sin A minus B. A means 60, B means 20 by sin 20. This is 4. Sin 60 minus 20 means sin 40. Okay, so see here, this is 20, so this will be 2 into 20 sin 40. This will also be sin 40. So these two cancel out. The remaining is 4 into 1. This is 4 into 1 means 4, which is our RHS. Hence we can prove this. This is so easy, but you need to understand these two formulas, sin A minus B. Okay, sin A minus B, sin A into cos B minus cos A into sin B, and the formula of sin A plus B equals to sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. We need to understand this formula. Okay, and we have to try to make this as this denominator. Okay, you can see here we have 40, so we have to apply the formula like this, sin 60 minus 20, then it will be equal to sin 40. So like this you have to apply the formula yourself. Okay, so this is question number 3. Now let's do next question. Question number 4. In question number 4 we have prove that cos q 20 plus sin q 10 equals to 3 by 4 cos 20 plus sin 10. Now let's take LHS in very first. Cos q 20 plus sin q 10. Now as we know the formula of cos 3a, 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. So from here you can see we can apply the formula of this cos qa equal to cos 3a, this will be plus 3 cos a upon 4. This is the formula of this cos QA. Similarly, as we know, the formula of sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So if we take this term in that side, sin cube a, then this value becomes 3 sin a minus sin 3a by this 4 will be divided over here. So this formula of cos cube equal to cos 3a. Cos 3a, 3 into a means 20 degree, plus 3 cos a means this 20 degree upon this 4, plus sin q10. Sin q10 means 3 sin a, 3 sin 10 minus sin 3a means sin 3 into 10, I just put 30 degree, okay, by 4. Now if we take LCM, and this value becomes 4, and this is cos 30 and 3 cos 20 plus 3 sin 10 minus sin 30. You can see the value of cos 30 and the value of sin 30 we already know. Okay, so we have to just apply here the formula of value of this cos 30 means root 3 by 2 plus, if we take the common 3 in both, this will be cos 20 plus sin 10, and this the value of sin 30 means 1 by 2 upon this 4. Now we have C here, root under 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So this will be root under 3 minus 1 upon 2 upon 2. Okay, and here is 4 also, so this will be multiplied with 4. Okay, and the remaining is, you can see here we have this will be these as 2 terms, the remaining is 3 cos 20 plus sin 10. Okay, now let's separate these 2 terms, then the remaining value will be root under 3 minus 1 upon 4 into 2 means 8. Okay, this is 3 upon 8 into cos 20 plus sin 10. Now see here, if you rationalize this one, root under 3 minus 1, this value becomes 3 minus 1 upon root under 3 plus 1 means 2 upon so you can see here, this is cos 3 into 20 means cos 60. Okay, so the value of cos 60 equal to 1 by 2 and the sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So these 2 terms are cancelled out each other. Okay, so this is only 3 upon 4. We don't need not need to write this, so this is just 3 upon 4 cos 20 plus sin 10. This will be our this is proved. See here, 3 by 4 cos 20 plus sin 10. Hence in this way we can prove this question very easily, but we have to just apply the formula of this cos QA and this one sin QA. Applying these 2 formula we can easily prove this. Okay, so hope you understand. Now let's do next question. In 5 node we have proved that tan pi upon 4 plus theta minus tan pi upon 4 minus theta equals to 2 tan 2 theta. Okay, now taking LHS. Now let's take LHS. Tan pi by 4 plus theta minus tan pi by 4 minus theta. So see here, this is tan A plus B and this is tan A minus B. If we apply the formula of tan A plus tan B, then we know the formula of tan A plus tan B equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. This is the formula. So let's apply the formula. Tan A plus tan B minus 1 minus tan A into tan B, and apply formula of this also. Tan A minus tan B 1 plus tan A into tan B. So this is the formula of tan pi by 4 means pi. If you apply the value of pi equal to 180, so 180 by 4 means what? 45 degree. So this is tan 45 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan 45 into tan theta minus tan 45 minus tan theta 1 plus tan 45 into tan theta. Now we know the formula of tan 45 equal to 1 plus tan theta 1 minus tan theta minus 1 minus tan theta 1 plus tan theta. So if you take LCM, then this will be 1 minus tan theta and 1 plus tan theta. This will be multiplied with this, so this will be 1 plus tan theta whole square minus 1 minus tan theta whole square. Okay, now we have to apply the formula of A plus B whole square. A square